The next tool is the Captions. This is the transcription of the video, and it shows the text on the screen and highlights it. You're not supposed to change it too much. You can change the position of the captions, but it won't stay synced with the video narration or conversation. But you can fix grammar or spelling if something is written the wrong way. The captions are on top of the original clip in the timeline. You can expand the timeline and read the text if you want to fix something specific in the caption. You can see that on top of the captions, there are sometimes emojis. Those are generated while you create the shorts. You can disable it before the short generation, and if you want to remove them, you can just click on them and delete them. On the left side, where you have the caption, you also have the option to add emojis. Click the smile emoji, and you get a list of emojis to choose from. The emoji will be on top of the text and stay there. You can change its position if you like, or remove them completely. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.